Number 6. Thermodynamically, diamond is less stable than graphite, but the energy of activation of conversion of diamond into graphite is very high. Hence, conversion of diamond into graphite is extremely slow that it cannot be observed. 7th, it is a non-conductor of electricity because there are no free electrons or ions to carry the current. 8th, but it is surprisingly the best conductor of heat amongst the solids. It's about 5 times that of copper metal. That's why diamond tipped tools do not overheat when used for drilling and cutting jobs. 9th, it is not attacked by acids and alkalis. 10th, it is diamagnetic substance. 11th, it burns at a very high temperature to give carbon dioxide and is attacked by fluorine at high temperature to give CF4. Let us now study graphite. The important characteristics of graphite are: number 1, it is found in the nature. Second, it can be prepared also by the following reaction. The reaction is SiO2 plus 3C. Heat at a temperature of 3000 degrees Celsius for 24 hours. We get SiC plus 2CO. Then increase the temperature above 3000 degrees Celsius. SiC decomposes into carbon graphite plus silicon, that's a volatile substance. But if temperature is below 2000 degrees Celsius, we get silicon element plus carbon monoxide. Third, it is soft, greasy, dark greyish or black colored crystalline substance with metallic luster. Fourth, according to its crystal structure, as shown below, there is a planar network of 6-membered carbon rings in which each carbon atom is sp2 hybridized. Thus, each carbon atom is bonded with 3 carbon atoms in a layer. The carbon-carbon distance is 141.5 picometer. This suggests delocalization of pi electrons. The distance between the layers is about 335 picometers. The layers are held by van der Waals attractions. Fifth, it's a good conductor of electricity due to the presence of delocalized pi electrons. In fact, graphite behaves like a metallic conductor along the layers. The conductance along the layer is about 3 into 10 to the power 4 Siemens centimeter inverse at 25 degrees Celsius, and it decreases on increasing temperature. But in the direction perpendicular to layers, its conductance is hardly 5 Siemens into centimeter inverse at 25 degrees Celsius. And in this direction, it behaves like a semiconductor because conductivity increases on increasing temperature. Sixth point, it is important to note that it is a diamagnetic substance. Seventh, standard enthalpy of formation delta H naught F for graphite is 0. Hence, it is more stable than diamond. Eighth, but the entropy of graphite is 5.74 joule Kelvin inverse, mole inverse. It's more than that of diamond. Ninth, its melting point is 3550 degrees Celsius. 10th, since there are no chemical bonds between the layers of carbon atoms, only weak van der Waals attractions are there. Hence, a layer can easily slide over the other. That's why it acts as a lubricant. 11th, owing to large gap between the two layers, it is a soft substance. 12th, it is not attacked by dilute acids and alkalis, but fuming nitric acid and sulfuric acid oxidize it into a yellow-green substance called graphitic oxide. Alkaline KMnO4 converts it into malitic acid, that is C6COOH6 and oxalic acid. At high temperature, nearly 400 degrees Celsius, fluorine reacts with it to form a non-conducting material called graphitic fluoride.